We all know mid-size trucks are great off-road trucks, but are mid-size trucks good family vehicles? Stick around, we're going to talk more about that. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about, are mid-size trucks good for families? And if you're in the market looking for a mid-size truck, you're probably in one of two camps. You live in a big city and want a smaller truck so it's easier to drive around, or you're a hardcore off-roader. So I made a compilation of all the mid-size truck with car seats in them for you to decide for yourself. Alright, first up, Toyota Tacoma 2024. Look at how far up the front seat is moved forwards past the pillar, and look at the recline of the second row back seat. It has a little bit of recline, not too much. Alright, the model is 510. As you can see, the legroom is horrible. My wife would hate me for buying this truck if this was her legroom. The forward configuration is not bad. There's some recline so the kid can sleep comfortably. There's still a good amount of legroom, but they're still going to be kicking your back seat. There's a slight overhang where the car seat hangs over the seat. That is not ideal, but it's only a very small amount, so I'll give that a pass. Next truck, Nissan Frontier. The back seat is almost like straight up, and the front seat looks like it's at the pillar, not as far front as the Tacoma, but let's see how it looks like inside. Well, here we go, the model being 510 again, and the legroom is a thumbs down. There is no legroom whatsoever. Alright, forward facing, very similar to the Tacoma. They're gonna be kicking their back seats all the time, but notice the overhang of the car seat. That's a lot of overhang over the truck seat itself, and I think that's a big fail for me if your car seat is not even fully on the seat. Next up, Chevy Colorado, and this is backward facing. Seat's got some recline, and the front seat, it's at the pillar. Let's see how it looks in the front. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, same as the other. There's no legroom. I just want to point out, it's very important for your wife to have legroom because they like to put their purse in front of them. So if they don't have room for that, they are going to be very, very upset. Alright, here's the forward facing configuration. There's some recline on the back seat. And notice the overhang on the car seats, very slightly, just similar to the Tacoma. So I give that a pass. Next up, GMC Canyon. The back seat has a bit of a recline, so that's pretty good. Front seat's at the pillar, similar to the Tacoma. And now let's see the front. Here we have the model, looking like he's in pain getting in. Yeah, that's pretty bad. That's a negative Ghost Rider. Forward facing, very similar to the rest. Backseat has a good recline. Front, not so much legroom. Gonna be kicking your back seat. Bump, 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 bump. Next up, Honda Ridgeline. I was a little surprised. I thought the Honda Ridgeline had a little more space in the cabin area. But let's take a look. The backseat has a good recline. The front seat's at the pillar. Let's see what's in the front. Same story, very cramped. I don't know why people want to make mid-sized truck family trucks. It just doesn't look like it works. Next up, Ford Ranger. Alright, let's see. Front seats at the pillar, and you can see there's like no legroom in front. It's just like the rest. And there is a little bit of a recline, so I say it's okay. Here's the forward configuration, looking good, no overhang. This one has a little bit more legroom space. Alright, there you have it. Hope this video was helpful for you if you were deciding to use a pickup truck as a family vehicle. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't use a mid-size truck for my family truck. I would pick a full-size truck, but that's just my opinion. Here's a video of me comparing a full-size truck with a mid-size truck as a family vehicle. Please check it out. And if you have made it this far, please drop me a like and subscribe so I can provide you more videos like this. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Peace out.